Hi guys, so making some akara this morning. I have in here about 4 cups of peeled beans, 2 habanero peppers, so a taro dough. I have half of a mediumish red onion and half of a white one. Sweetness for the white, taste for the red, and then I have 1 tartar shade. Typically you wouldn't use tartar shade in akara, but yeah, I wanted to. Anyways, so my goal is to blend this 4 cups with as little water as possible. So about a quarter to half a cup of water is what I intend to use to blend it, because I want this to be a really thick paste. So here is the consistency of the paste. It should be super duper thick. I used maybe like 2 tablespoons, so I had half a cup of water, and I still have, so I used about maybe a quarter cup. I still have this much water left, so the paste should be really, really thick for good akara. So I'm going to be using my KitchenAid mixer. It's gonna whisk the akara. So the goal is for this to kind of like really double in volume, right? Like you said, it would become fluffy. I'll kind of show you guys. So I'll set it to 2, and I'm going to let it go for about 6 to 10 minutes. I mean, you don't need this. You can use a morogo to mix. You can use and whisk, but this is just more efficient for me. So yeah, to show you guys what the goal is here. So this is the paste that I had blended. This is what it looks like. You can kind of see it's just there, right? Like it's just a paste. And now this is what it looks like once it's whipped. You kind of see it's almost like a mousse. Like it's fluffy, it's light, it's airy, and that's kind of the goal here. So in the paste, I added some more onions. I also put in spring onions and a little bit of cilantro. It's just a personal thing. I like the taste in akara. You do not have to. I also have a little bit of crayfish. Typically, I don't use seasoning cube in my akara. I'm using it today, but I typically would only use salt. So typically, I would do salt, crayfish, and a little bit more onion, and then I'm just going to mix this together and get to frying. So drop it in like so. Of course, you do not have to peel the beans. You do not have to deep fry it. You can pan fry. Yeah, I wanted traditional akara, so I made some. But yeah, that's it.